So I call this the value of human touch. And recently I've been stopping from YouTube because there's a lot of challenges. You have to produce high quality content, a lot of production, a lot of video editing, a lot of like videography have to be involved, a lot of things. And as I'm a marketer right now, I've seen the new opportunity, which you may you not realize it right now, and it is the update on YouTube, which is YouTube announced from today, is that the importance of human touch. They say that they will no longer promote an AI or faceless YouTube channels. As you know, faceless YouTube channels are a business model. Most of people using it to get revenue from YouTube, and that is really good for us, for me especially, because right now I can say, okay, I'll produce more content because my content will be relevant. Like previously, whatever content that you use, people use AI, people use generative content, people use different type of faceless YouTube channels. That will be really high production, and there is no compatibility, and there is no, what we can say, there is no related opportunities for you as a creator. But now I think this is a new opportunity, and YouTube, like YouTube partner program, will only place on creators that use real voice, real video, real human touch. And this is the opportunity that we all going into it. And like, I'm a marketer, so this is an opportunity for you. It can be also an opportunity to start producing content again. And like, best of luck. I don't know, maybe some people would love to do that, some people it would be a disaster for them these days, but it's an opportunity, it's a golden opportunity. And I wish you all the luck. Let's see how YouTube can manage that with the different AI, like influencers, and like the real human face touch that AI use right now in generating content. So it will be a little bit challenging, but it's a great touch. So peace out.